Investing can often seem like a complex and intimidating world for newcomers. The sheer volume of information, coupled with specialized jargon, can make it feel overwhelming to even begin. Many aspiring investors hesitate, unsure of where to place their first dollar or how to navigate market fluctuations. However, approaching investing with a structured and informed mindset can transform this daunting task into an empowering journey. A well-thought-out strategy is not just about making money, it is about building a robust financial foundation for your future. This foundation provides security and opens doors to achieving your long-term aspirations. This guide is designed to demystify the investment process for beginners. We will outline several key strategies that are both accessible and effective. Our aim is to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to start your investment journey on solid ground. Before you even consider specific investments, the most crucial first step is to define your clear financial goals. What exactly are you investing for? Is it for a comfortable retirement many decades away, or perhaps a down payment on a home within the next 5 years? Perhaps your goal is to fund your children's education, or simply to accumulate wealth over time. Having specific, measurable goals provides direction and purpose to your investment decisions. These goals act as your compass, guiding every choice you make in the market. Your financial goals directly influence your investment timeline and your comfort level with risk. A short-term goal, like saving for a car next year, typically calls for very low-risk investments. Conversely, a long-term goal, such as retirement, allows for a more aggressive approach. Understanding your personal risk tolerance is equally vital. This refers to your psychological and financial ability to handle potential losses in your investment portfolio. It is about how much volatility you can stomach without panicking and making rash decisions. Risk tolerance is not static. It is a dynamic factor that varies significantly from person to person. It reflects your comfort with the ups and downs inherent in market performance. A realistic assessment of your risk tolerance prevents emotional decisions during market downturns. Your risk tolerance is also heavily influenced by your age and your investment time horizon. Generally, younger investors who have many decades until retirement can afford to take on higher levels of risk. They have a longer time frame to recover from any market corrections. This extended time horizon allows younger investors to ride out market volatility and benefit from the long-term growth potential of more aggressive assets. They can embrace the natural fluctuations of the market, knowing that time is on their side. Conversely, investors nearing retirement typically adopt a more conservative approach. Their time horizon is much shorter, meaning they have less time to recover from significant market losses. Preserving capital becomes a higher priority than aggressive growth. For these investors, protecting their accumulated wealth is paramount. They often shift towards investments that offer more stability and income, even if it means lower potential returns. This strategic shift ensures their nest egg is secure as they approach their withdrawal phase. Diversification is arguably the cornerstone of any sound investment strategy, especially for beginners. It is the principle of not putting all your eggs in one basket, a concept that has stood the test of time in financial planning. This strategy aims to reduce overall portfolio risk. The core idea is to distribute your investments across various asset classes and types. This means not just buying different stocks, but also considering bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. Each asset class behaves differently under various market conditions. For example, when stocks might be performing poorly, bonds might offer stability or even positive returns. This counterbalance helps to smooth out the overall performance of your portfolio. It prevents any single investment from having an outsized negative impact. By spreading your investments, you significantly reduce the impact of poor performance from any single investment or sector. If one part of your portfolio struggles, other parts may be performing well, thus cushioning the blow. This resilience is crucial for long-term success. For beginners, achieving broad diversification can seem complex, but there are simple solutions. Utilizing diversified mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs, offers instant diversification. These funds hold a basket of many different securities. Investing in a single broad market index ETF, for instance, can give you exposure to hundreds or even thousands of companies. This provides immediate and cost-effective diversification across an entire market segment. It simplifies the process of building a balanced portfolio. These funds are managed by professionals and are designed to spread risk across numerous holdings. They are an excellent starting point for new investors looking to build a robust and diversified portfolio without needing to research individual stocks or bonds. They offer a practical and efficient way to implement this fundamental strategy. Dollar cost averaging is a powerful and disciplined investment strategy that simplifies market entry for beginners. It involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of how the market is performing. This consistent approach removes the need to time the market. By committing to a regular investment schedule, you mitigate the significant risk of investing a large lump sum at an unfavorable time. Trying to predict market highs and lows is notoriously difficult, even for seasoned professionals. Dollar cost averaging bypasses this challenge entirely. The beauty of dollar cost averaging lies in its automatic adjustment to market fluctuations. When prices are low, your fixed investment buys more shares. Conversely, when prices are high, the same fixed investment buys fewer shares. This mechanism works to your advantage over time. This strategy effectively averages out your purchase price over the long term. You avoid the emotional pitfalls of trying to buy low and sell high, which often leads to buying high and selling low. It instills a disciplined approach to wealth accumulation. Dollar cost averaging is particularly beneficial during volatile market periods. Instead of being paralyzed by fear, you continue to invest, taking advantage of lower prices. This consistent buying builds a larger portfolio over time, often at a more favorable average cost. It removes the emotional component from investing, allowing you to stick to your plan even when market sentiment is negative. This disciplined approach is a key factor in achieving long-term financial goals. It fosters patience and consistency, two vital virtues in investing. This strategy is easy to implement through automated transfers from your bank account to your investment account. Setting up these regular contributions ensures you are consistently investing without needing to actively monitor the market. It makes investing a habit, not a chore. For beginners, dollar cost averaging provides a straightforward and stress-free way to enter the market. It builds wealth gradually and systematically, reducing the anxiety associated with market timing. It is a testament to the power of consistency and patience. For beginners, low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, represent an exceptionally smart investment choice. These investment vehicles are designed to track specific market indices, such as the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, or a total stock market index. They do not attempt to beat the market. Instead, their goal is simply to mirror the performance of the underlying index. This passive approach means they hold the same securities in the same proportions as the index they track. This provides broad market exposure without the complexities of individual stock picking. Index funds and ETFs are ideal for beginners primarily due to their significantly lower expense ratios compared to actively managed funds. Expense ratios are the annual fees charged by the fund to cover its operating costs. Lower fees mean more of your money stays invested and grows. These lower costs are a direct result of their passive management style. There is no need for expensive research teams or frequent trading, which keeps operational expenses down. This cost efficiency directly translates into higher net returns for investors over time. By investing in an index fund or ETF that tracks a broad market index, you gain instant diversification across many companies. For example, an S&P 500 index fund gives you exposure to 500 of the largest U.S. companies. This broad exposure inherently reduces risk. This strategy allows investors to retain a much larger portion of their investment returns. Over decades, even a small difference in expense ratios can amount to tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost returns. Low-cost funds maximize your compounding potential. They are also incredibly easy to understand and manage. You do not need to analyze individual company financials or market trends. You are simply investing in the overall growth of the market, which has historically been a reliable path to wealth creation. For new investors, index funds and ETFs offer a simple, effective, and low-cost way to participate in the stock market. They embody the principle of long-term diversified investing without requiring extensive financial knowledge or constant monitoring. They are a foundational building block for any beginner's portfolio. When embarking on your investment journey, it is perfectly acceptable and often advisable to start small. Begin with an amount of money that you are genuinely comfortable losing. This approach minimizes financial stress and allows you to learn without significant risk. Starting with a modest sum provides a low-stakes environment to understand market dynamics. You can observe how your investments react to news, economic reports, and general market sentiment. This hands-on experience is invaluable for building confidence. As you gain experience and your comfort level grows, you can gradually increase your investment contributions. This incremental approach ensures that your learning curve is gentle and sustainable. It prevents you from being overwhelmed by too much too soon. Crucially, continuously educate yourself through reliable financial resources. Read books, follow reputable financial news outlets, and engage with educational content. The more you learn, the more informed and confident your investment decisions will become. Investing is a continuous learning process, not a one-time event. Stay curious, ask questions, and always seek to deepen your understanding of financial markets. This commitment to ongoing education will serve you well throughout your investment lifetime. It is absolutely essential to view investing as a marathon, not a sprint. True wealth creation through investing is a long-term endeavor that requires patience and discipline. Short-term market fluctuations are normal and should not dictate your strategy. Avoid the temptation to chase quick profits or to panic sell during market downturns. These emotional reactions are often detrimental to long-term returns. Market timing is notoriously difficult and rarely successful for individual investors. Instead, focus steadfastly on the long-term growth potential of your investments. Understand that market corrections and bear markets are a natural part of the economic cycle. These periods often present opportunities for disciplined investors. Maintaining discipline means sticking to your investment plan, even when the market feels uncertain. Continue with your regular contributions, especially during dips, as this aligns with the principles of dollar-cost averaging. Consistency is your greatest ally. A long-term perspective allows the power of compounding to work its magic. Reinvesting your earnings and letting them grow over many years is how significant wealth is built. Patience truly is a virtue in the world of investing. While this guide provides a solid foundation, there may come a time when you feel overwhelmed or need more personalized guidance. In such instances, consider consulting a qualified financial advisor. They can offer tailored insights specific to your unique situation. A good financial advisor can help you clarify your goals, assess your true risk tolerance, and construct a personalized investment plan. They can also provide guidance on complex financial matters like tax planning and estate planning. Their expertise can be invaluable. When choosing an advisor, look for a fiduciary, meaning they are legally obligated to act in your best interest. Ask about their fee structure and ensure you understand how they are compensated. A transparent relationship is key to trust. Even if you manage your own investments, a periodic check-in with an advisor can provide valuable perspective and ensure you remain on track. They can act as a sounding board and help you avoid common pitfalls. Do not hesitate to leverage professional expertise when needed. Embarking on your investment journey using these foundational strategies will build not only your financial portfolio but also your confidence. Remember, investing does not have to be complicated or intimidating. With a clear plan and consistent effort, anyone can achieve their financial goals. The key principles to carry forward are patience, staying informed, and conducting regular portfolio reviews. Patience allows your investments to grow over time, weathering market volatility. Staying informed empowers you to make educated decisions and adapt when necessary. Regularly reviewing your portfolio ensures it remains aligned with your evolving financial goals and risk tolerance. This periodic checkup helps you make minor adjustments, rebalance your assets, and stay on the path to long-term success. Your financial future is within your control.